Hi everybody, it's Faye, Natty Scrappy. Got a bit of a dodgy setup again. I wanted to do a plan with me in my dashboard classic, and this morning I got my welcome design kit from Oodlemadoodles, aka Grace, and I'm part of her PR team. And she sent me, she knows my big thing for pumpkins. So I have this as a welcome sort of dashboard, which is gorgeous. And on the back of there, we've got all the information for the shop, which hopefully if you want to pause it, you can see below. I also got this beautiful little badge with a bow on. And I got a little sampler with lots of little bits on there, which will be really handy for next week. And this is the kit that we received, or I received. I don't know if everybody else got the same. So this is called the Cashmere Classic Kit. And I just thought it was really, really pretty. The colours are stunning. And it's got all the beautiful, beautiful kits. Now, I've not found anybody else on Etsy who actually does kits for the dashboard classic planner. So again, pumpkins, she knows me so well. So I love to use Grace's kits just because obviously she does do variating kits for her shop, and this is our welcome letter from Grace. So here we go. This is for this next week coming. So I have actually made the mistake of putting something in pen already, which I don't usually do, but I've got that in pen already. So I thought I would start by organising this side of the kit. Now you have all your dates and 2 lots of washi here. Where's the large box? So this will go down the bottom, and they fit absolutely perfectly. Look at that. See, doesn't it just make your page look so much nicer? And then you still have on here a cancelled sticker as well. Oh yeah, I painted my nails since last week because I looked at my nails and they looked atrocious. And then, what have we got here? Here you go. Here's a large box sticker, which fits up in here. Now, I don't tend to use the to buy, but I will use clean. And that goes across like that. Stunning. I love these kits. And then I tend to stick the kits down here onto this sticker here. So beautiful, beautiful kits. And what date is it next week? Oh yes, it's the 1st. So I have some bills, but not many bills that are due to go out next week. So just have a look at this. Okay, so there's my clean sticker. And then I stick that up there. Actually, I might leave that because I'll put the washi up there first. Apologies for the camera angle. I'm trying to get it right. So, okay, so to washi or not to washi? To washi, I think. So, excuse me doing this at the top. And I will cut that off afterwards. And then on this side, I'm actually cooking pizza, so I'm hoping that won't burn while I'm doing this. And I'll cut that off afterwards. And meal plans. And where's the meal plans box? Now, I actually have a pretty busy week next week. So I've got my classic dashboard up in front of me. No, try that again. My classic planner up in front of me with everything that I've already got going on next week. Oop, done that too far over. So let's just pull this back. And as you can see from Grace's stickers, I actually didn't pull anything off of the actual paper itself. And then meal plans sits there. Like so. Then, so as I said, I only have a few bills that are due next week. But I do have 2 trackers, which going back to this side, I like to put on here to cover that bit up. Now I actually track my laundry. I know that sounds really silly, but it keeps me on my toes. And so I track my laundry each week. And my bill due, I saw a bill due sticker somewhere. Maybe I didn't. Ah, yes it is, see? I knew I had. So bills due on the 1st of the month. So there's only a couple that go out on the 1st of each month from my account. So I split them down. I shall total that there. And then what colour checklist? This one here, I think. Bill due can go under there actually. So that's done that. And then here's my days. I should have really turned off my oven, shouldn't I? So the 28th, gosh, can't believe we're going into October next week. This is actually quite a scary thing. This year has definitely been a very up and lots of down year, I think. So the 29th. Is there. Wednesday. I have to do it this way because I can't do it straight otherwise. Even doing it this way, I don't think I always get it straight. But I have more of a chance to get it straight when I do it this way than I do any other way. So bear with me. That one. And then, oh, I'm going to cover that over, aren't I? I can see that happening. So the 1st of the month, there. Excuse me. Gosh, October. Oh dear. I've covered over the time for that, but that's okay. I can add that in later. I have an eye test next week. And that goes there. Cross like that. And then Sunday is the 4th. So look at that. See, already that's looking so much prettier. As I said, I would cut that off afterwards. So the 4th is Sunday. So I don't have my tweezers with me, so I'm hoping I don't make a right mess of this. 3rd. Oh. So you could do with extra long nails just to do this bit. And then the 30th, because we don't have 30 days in, don't have 31 days in September. And then the 29th, oops. And the 28th. And then I'm going to see if I've got any little icons to use. So change of sheets is always on a Wednesday. And bin day is Monday. I don't know why I change my sheets on a Wednesday. Bin day is Monday. Oops, she says. bin day is Monday, and recycling is on Tuesday. And then I always like using the little crock pot at the top with my meal plans. I just think it adds that little touch of cute at the top. What else do I want to put on? So days that I have things coming in. So Sunday is ironing day, because I always iron on Sunday for my son's school uniform. Getting back into swing. Oh, look at that. I've even got a little set of glasses. Perfect. So if I put that there, I shall add that in. And then I have a virtual meeting on the 1st, so that can go there. I have a haircut. Oh, so have I got a haircut? One sticker. No, but I have a nice coffee cup one there. So if I do that for the haircut, put that there. And then on, I'm also visiting somebody next week. So let's do this. Oh, cute. Look at these at the bottom of this. Oh my goodness. Gosh, pumpkin. Think I need to use a pumpkin. Grace will not be surprised when I use the pumpkin. So what day? Oh, I think I'll use the pumpkin on Saturday as well. And then on Sunday is family time, so, oh, I like that, because that's a little angled kind of flower corner. I think I'll use that. Actually, I'll put that on that side. And then I should put family time on there, because I've started to want to do things on Sunday with the boys. What I like is the stickers are such nice font and quality. Beautiful stickers. Family time. And then I think I've got another appointment on the Monday, but I can't remember. I think I've got something going on Monday. Can't honestly remember. And then my son has homework club, so I'm going to use these little stickers from Maya. Don't really go with what I've got here though, but that's okay. So if I do Wednesday and Thursday there, and Tuesday there for homework club. Right. Now, my bills due are my mobile phone. So I'm going to add that in there. And that's it, I think, on that date. So my mobile phone's there. And then to clean, I can now put that sticker back up on the top, because it didn't overlap on the... So I'm going to cover that piece up. Ooh, she says, just turn it sideways and then I can actually cover the word to buy up. There you go. Too clean. Right, so that is how my layout is looking for next week currently. Now obviously I will add in all the variating details and pen later. I still have plenty of stickers left in this kit, as you can see. And as I said, I will be adding bits in as the week goes on in case something changes. So this is what I like about Grace's kits, is obviously you get so many sheets and you can add on, and then obviously plan time, getting messy stuff done, tend to add that on sometimes, and things like that. So yeah, it's a stunning look. And Grace, I need a big cat, please, because that kitten is absolutely stunning. So anyway, I shall leave the links down below. Please subscribe. This is not this is sort of catch a little bit of stuff in my planner, but my main planner that I tend to use is the classic style planner. But this is my dashboard, and these are stunning kits from Grace. Obviously, it didn't take very long this time to do a quick plan with me because I kind of knew what I was doing. Maybe I need to do that in the future. But I will put her Shopify account down below, and I will also put a discount code for you guys to use. If you use the discount code FAY15, then you'll get 15% off of your order when you place an order with Oodlemadoodles. Anyway, have a fabulous week, and I shall see you soon. Take care. Bye.